In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move buttons. Shopify. We are going to do this from the Shopify theme editor, which is where you control how your product pages are laid out. This is useful when you want your buy buttons higher on the page for better visibility, or when you want your share option placed lower so it does not distract from purchasing. Start by going to your Shopify admin. In the left navigation, open Online Store, then go to Themes and select Customize. This opens the visual editor for your current theme, and it lets you rearrange sections and blocks without editing code. Once you are in the theme editor, look near the top for the Page Selector dropdown. Use that dropdown to navigate to a product page. This matters because the buttons you want to move live inside the product page template, so you need to be previewing a product page to see the correct blocks in the sidebar. Now focus on the left sidebar where all of your sections and blocks are listed. Look for the section called Product Information. This is typically where the product title, price, variant picker, quantity, and purchase-related elements are grouped together. Inside product information, find the block named Buy Buttons. Depending on your theme and setup, you might also see a share block in this same area. These are the elements you will be repositioning. To move a block, find the small 6-dot handle icon next to the block name. Click and drag that 6-dot icon, then move the block up or down within the stack. As you drag, pay attention to where it will land in the list, because the order in the sidebar matches the order on the product page. Placing buy buttons higher usually makes the purchase action more immediate, while placing share lower can keep the focus on buying first. After you have the block positioned where you want it, take a moment to confirm the preview reflects the change on the right side of the editor. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving is important because changes in the theme editor will not go live until you save them. That covers everything you need to know.